Hi everyone, do you aware that the natural resources in our Earth is getting lesser? This graph shows the expected population growth in comparison to resource availability. Situation of the so-called pig society highlights the urgency of breeding crops for low input systems and improved resource management, as population and food demands are expected to increase while global resources decline. This data has also indicated a reality that we are still a distance away to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, especially the goals of zero hunger, good health and well-being, as well as affordable and clean energy. Therefore, we need to find an alternative to replace these sources of energy. The research has found out that the microalgae have an incredible biotechnological potential in producing a wide assortment of mixtures like polysaccharides, lipids, proteins, and other nutrients. The extraction of microalgae are able to produce biofuels, hydrocarbons, and hydrogen, and to be processed into energy. Besides that, animal feed, human nutrition, cosmetics, and pharmacy industry parts can also be produced by a variety of algae species. There are some factors affecting the growth of microalgae. Like all green plants, microalgae carry out photosynthesis. Light is the source of energy which drives this reaction, and in this regard intensity, at higher depths and cell concentration, the light intensity must be increased to penetrate through the culture. pH level of culture medium will also affect the algae cultivation. The pH range for most culture algae species is between 7 to 9, with the optimum range of 8.2 to 8.7. Therefore, the carbon dioxide allows to correct for this increase of pH level. While for temperature, based on the research, the optimum temperature range of 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius was observed for a group of different algae species. However, it is difficult to make prediction to the changes of these limiting factors. The goal of this project study are to develop automation technique by using Internet of Things to increase the efficiency in cultivation of microalgae in a way that enables users to monitor the environmental conditions as well as data collection via wireless device, and to maintain the quality of microalgae cultivation for industrialization. In general, this system uses temperature sensor, UV intensity sensor, water turbidity sensor, and a pH sensor to monitor these parameters. A microcontroller is used to read both analog and digital data input, which will subsequently be sent to the web server through a Wi-Fi module. Camera will also be set up in this system so that the researchers can view the algae from time to time. The data are then managed on cloud database and is readily to be displayed in the mobile app. A preliminary test is done to test the functionality of this system. For this testing, only temperature sensor, water turbidity sensor, and UV sensors are connected to the Arduino. The sensors are tested in clear water and warm concentrated coffee. Based on the results from this test, it is proven that the temperature sensor, water turbidity sensor, as well as the UV sensor are well functioning. The temperature of the warm coffee is higher than that of the water and room temperature. Besides, the turbidity level of the coffee is higher than that of the water. Higher turbidity level indicates that the medium has low clarity. In the future experiment, the higher the concentration of algae, the clarity of water will become lower. This can indicate the density of algae produced. The advantage of this system is that the researcher is not required to check the algae condition in the laboratory. Instead, it can be done by using their smartphone. This allows the researcher to view the behavior of the culture and react accordingly. In addition, on real situation, the implementation of this system can also be involved more than just a single system, and this is possible to be scaled up to industrial level. That's all from me. Thank you.